London just learned how to fake sneeze. You want to listen to it? Sneeze. That's what it sounds like.
Is that a big sneeze?
Yeah. Yeah. So, who did you learn that from? Say, Mimi. Mimi. Yeah.
Can you sing the alphabet? A, B, C, D.
Say ABC.
G.
Say ABC. Can you cook brother some bread with butter? Can you give me some bread with butter? Can you give me Can you give me bread? Can you give me some bread? London, I want some bread. Ooh. No. I already ate it. I don't know what this video is going to be called, but
Can we sing head?
say head. And whenever I act like a cat, she thinks I'm actually one. Ready? Watch. Ready? See? She thinks I'm a real cat. And sometimes she even makes me go to bed. It's so weird.
Can you make the kitty go night-night?
I guess she's cutting me with a knife.
She's putting butter on you.
And this feels like a real cat. It's so soft. And where do we get this from?
I got out of a crane machine.
What?
Yeah.
From what store?
My friend got it.
Oh. Where did she get it?
She won it.
Where did she get it?
Out of a crane machine.
Where was the store?
We were at a bar.
Oh. Okay, that's weird.
Lundy.
Sneeze.
One more. Very good. And that's a wrap. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye.
Let him say bye. Go bye. Bye.
Blow kiss.